Start by removing the lower side handle covers by unscrewing the hardware using a Phillips screwdriver. Then use the slotted screwdriver as a help to complete the task. Take off the motor cover, removing the 4 screws with the Phillips screwdriver. Be careful with the front cover when removing the motor cover. It is attached to it. With a 5/16 Allen tool, misalign the rear roller to distress the walking belt. Make sure the walking belt is distressed. With a 9/16 socket, unscrew the front roller screw. Use blocking pliers to loosen the tensioner. Remove the driver belt from its roller. Take off the rear roller from its place. Repeat the step for the back roller. Remove the right front cover and to attach the spring. Unscrew the 4 screws of the running deck and pull it out. Have ready by your side the new walking belt. Place the assembly in the frame. Make sure all screws are aligned. Tight all 4 screws. Lay the front roller on its place. Make sure the driver belt is around the roller. Confirm the axis of the roller fits in the frame's hole. Set the rear roller on its place. Tight the roller equally from both sides to make sure it is fully tensioned. Turn on the treadmill and set it to 3.0 mph speed and make sure the walking belt is centered. Your CLST treadmill is ready.